When I got the spinal line pillow from Dr. Loth, I needed it. Dealing with hands-on work with world-class athletes, I'm exhausted at the end of the day. And so sleeping for me is a big deal. And the pillows I had before, I just couldn't do it. I'd turn on my side and my arms would go to sleep. I'd wake up with headaches, neck pain. This pillow has remedied all that. I sleep totally, so much better that it's hard to express, but knowing the difference before and after, this pillow has just absolutely saved my world. I wake up refreshed. I have the energy to deal with the kind of athletes that I have to contend with, and I have to have that energy, and if I don't, I'm just dead in the water. This pillow is just wonderful. It's highly recommended. I can't wait to get my athletes to take it and to use it because they're in the same position as I am.